All right, ladies, I'm super excited about this. As our bodies change with childbirth and aging, finding a pair of jeans that fit well is almost impossible.
Until now.
Beauty and style expert Michelle Phillips is here to show us how designer jeans that will not only make you look amazing, they're going to make you feel amazing when you wear them. Good morning.
Good morning.
You've done it. You've found an awesome pair of jeans that we can all get on board with.
I know. I mean, these are the best kept secret that a friend of mine recently turned me on to. They are created by designer Diane Gilman.
Okay.
She created DG2 Jeans, and basically these jeans she created for women who have basically had children, who are age 40 and up, and whose bodies are changing, because let's face it, as we get older, we tend to carry more weight in our midriff area, our tummy area. And so these jeans, which I have on right now,
these are like the everyday jeans.
These are the everyday virtual fit. These are the top selling jean on HSN is where she sells them. She is called the Queen of Jeans because she has sold over 10 million pairs of jeans, because they have this 2 to 4 inch stretch, but it's called stretch and recovery. So it stretches, but yet recovers, and going right back to this wonderful fit that gives you more area, more room in the tummy area, but then a nice slim, form-fitting, fit throughout the leg area. So it's flattering, and I don't know about what you think with these on, but they are so comfy. I feel like I could put in yoga pants or something. It's so comfortable.
Well, and these right here are the fancier, which we're going to see on a couple models too. I mean, there's like endless possibilities.
Right. She is debuting, Diane is debuting back on HSN this Sunday, November 18th, with her holiday embellished
Look at the sparkle.
jeans.
Hopefully you can see them. I know they're black.
Gorgeous. These are black denim with a rich black velvet flocking on the denim here with these gorgeous multifaceted rhine studs. Beautiful to wear to holiday parties, or like you said, these could be everyday jeans as well. So I have a couple models though. We can show some
let's
more
see the other styles, because you're gonna want the first pair, and then you're gonna want every single
pair. Exactly.
So let's bring out our first model here. We're gonna part ways. Oh, I love it.
She looks fabulous. Carrie's wearing the indigo denim with shades of tonal blue satin stitch embroidery, which there's over 100,000 stitches in that embroidery, as well as scattered pearl stud embellishment, which is super, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Again, you've got the virtual stretch, so this stretches with your body, yet comes back every time. And a great look for the holiday, but again, everyday look. I love how she's paired this with the bootie and the jacket, and just she's ready to go for...
I love everything. I love the whole look.
Gorgeous,
I love it.
Exactly.
All right, let's bring out the second model.
The model is Kim. And I love this look as well. Kim is wearing the soft gray denim with an intricate multi-faceted design of antique silver jeweled stones and studs. And by the way, silver is the metallic of holiday 2000.
Oh, is it? Okay, all right.
So this is very on trend. I mean, these are absolutely gorgeous. I almost feel like this particular gray also looks like a suede in person too. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous.
Stunning. I love it. I love it. And then last but not least,
we have Natalie. Woo! Natalie, looking gorgeous.
I do actually love modeling. Can you tell?
No. This over 40 comment. We're close. We're not there yet.
It's for women who pack as well as over 40.
But I do love how high they go. And these are something that I struggle finding. So I love that they're high-waisted.
And me and her both said, listen, because you told us, you were like, pick your pant size, we're going to bring you in a pair. Natalie and we both were like, they're going to fit.
Yeah, right.
I know. Isn't it incredible?
They absolutely
And how do they feel? Aren't they so soft?
Well, I did want to bring up something with my bosses, though. Carly and I never really can wear jeans, probably against office dress code. But I am digging wearing jeans. One, they're comfortable, and two, I finally have somewhere for my mic packs. So there you go. My bosses keep seeing the cords. I've got the cords stuck in the pocket. So I think we should wear these every day.
I know. They are gorgeous. Well, that's what I love about her jeans is she does have the everyday virtual stretch, but she also has these gorgeous embellished jeans that you can dress it up for the holidays, for work, or for any time.
So break it down for us. When can we buy these jeans? Because I know it's a big weekend coming up.
That's right. This Sunday, November 18th, Diane is debuting. By the way, her first year, she's been off the air for a year because she's been getting treatments for breast cancer.
No way.
And so she's back on the air. She's been on HSN for years. Like I said, she's sold over 10 million pairs of jeans.
So it's a welcome back party this weekend.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
That's why we're doing this today, to really help her with this launch. Not that she needs it, but
we need it.
We all want to support her being back on the air, so tune in all day. She'll be on the air November 18th.
Thanks,
Go to
Michelle,
HSN.
for introducing us to these. We love it. Thank you so much.
Thank
We'll put more details on our website as well.